There's an invisible threat inside your water heater right now, and it's costing you money every single day. As water heats, minerals turn into solid rock and sink to the bottom. This sediment insulates your heater, forcing it to work twice as hard. That trapped heat superheats the steel. The result? Metal fatigue, microfractures, and eventually, a catastrophic tank rupture. Don't wait for a flood. A professional flush evacuates those deposits, restoring factory efficiency and protecting your home. An emergency replacement costs over $1,500, but our Rocky Top maintenance protocol is only $159. Secure your system before it expires. Call Rocky Top HVAC at 865-474-1511. Offer expires April 15th, 2026. Serving Powell, Knoxville, and surrounding areas.